in this video, we are going to talk about the different times to trade. So, what is the best time to trade? Now, you have to know the opens and the closes. So, when it comes to Forex, okay, we have different sessions. We have the London session, we have the New York session, Tokyo, and Sydney, okay? The best session when it comes to the Forex is the London session and the New York session. Now, London usually has the most volume, okay, when it comes to Forex, and then the second one would be New York. But these are, these times are, good to trade, London or New York, okay? London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern time, and New York session opens at 8 a.m. Eastern time, okay? Usually each session I trade probably no more than 2 to 3 hours. If you want to trade 2 sessions and you're seeing results from that, go ahead. But if you are new, I wouldn't suggest that. I would suggest you trying to at least get a couple of trades per session, and that's it. So I like to trade only 1 session, and I think you should do that too, especially if you're new. Don't try to trade multiple sessions because it can wear you out mentally, okay? So right here we have the London session, starts at 3 a.m. And then we have the New York session at 8 a.m. So that's the Forex market. Now let's go to the indices. I like to trade NASDAQ, the Dow, and we're talking about those markets. They start at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, can you trade NASDAQ or the Dow or any other indice before that? Yes, we call that pre-market. You can trade it before that. If you see a setup, go ahead. But for now, if you're new, I think you should, just stick to 1 session. Okay, you had to have a specific time that you want to trade. Don't be all over the place. So me personally, I only look at the market or only trade at 9:30 a.m. I start my trading at 9:30 a.m. and I end it around maybe 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, and that's how I do it. Okay. So you want to have a specific time that you trade every single day. You don't want to be all over the place because that's how you build consistency if you have, the same time every single day. Now, I want you to understand every session has an open and a close, right? And it's best to trade when the market opens. You don't have to trade exactly when the market opens, but maybe 5 or 10 minutes after the market opens, because that's when all the volume comes in. Now, if you try to trade pre-market, especially if you're trading the indices, most of the time the market is not going to move a lot during pre-market because most of the volume comes in when the market opens. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. All right, so let's go to the next video.